This time we have been learning more about Japan. We would like to share some of our learning with you. We have been learning some Japanese words. Konnichiwa. That means hello. That means thank you. Atama means head. Kata means shoulders. Hiza means knees. Ashi means toes. Let's all sing. We have also been finding out about Mount Fuji, sushi, earthquakes, cherry blossom, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Sochi Field, bullet train, Pokemon, Zen, forgot, red and white flag, square watermelon, origami, kimono, haiku poems. We have been writing some haiku poems. They must have 3 lines. We have been finding out what syllables mean. Danny, El Kari, we heard Anders. That's 9. Emilia, older is 6. Isabella, Lucy, Austin is 8. These are our poems all about cherry blossom. traditional Japanese stories. Our favourite one is The Rabbit Who Crossed the Sea. Long ago and far away, there lived 3 little white rabbits who wanted to cross the sea. Across the waves they could see a beautiful island, and they wanted very badly to go there. Look at that lovely island over there. We must go there. It looks really nice. We must go there. But I can't swim. We need a boat, but we can't find any. We couldn't swim and there were no boats nearby. From the shore all the way to the island. Look, there's the island. The rabbits went hopping off from the back of one shark to the next county. It's steeply, saggy, rocky, saggy, foxy, Finally, the rabbits reached the island, then turned backs and said, "You silly sap, we fools! We didn't really want to come to. We just wanted to get to this beautiful island over here." The sharks were furious. How dare the cheeky rabbits play such a trick on them? One of the sharks reached up out of the water and snatched the soul of the rabbit's The rabbit started to cry, but just then the king and queen of the island came along. Hello, little rabbits, why are you crying? We tricked the sharks and placed the big flat open for us to see the lovely island. Oh no! You mustn't ever fool others and tell lies again. If you promise to be good, I can tell you how you can get your fur back. Oh, we promise, we promise. the king gathered up some bulrushes and made a nest with them. Now you sleep here all night, then your fur will grow back. So the rabbits did as they were told. They slept in the nest made out of bulrushes. The next day, they were so pleased to see that their fur had grown back. Thank you very, very, very much. Our fur has all grown back and we feel well again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're welcome. Then the rabbits went hopping along the seashore dancing and singing. Kindness. And as it says in our town close page, we should treat everyone with respect.
Well, didn't we enjoy watching Willow Tree Class's assembly? They transported us to Japan, showed brilliantly how the rabbits crossed the sea, told us about their haikus, and more than anything, performed, sung, and spoke beautifully. So from all of us here in the room and friends and family watching at home, very well done to everyone in Willow Tree Class. Well done, everyone.